Tim from Spring Hill, Florida, has a question about a water heater.
Yeah, he's considering a heat pump water heater.
Okay.
Okay, Tim writes, it would be put in my garage because it's usually quite warm in my garage. Also wondering if it'd be worth installing a vent from the attic to bring in hotter air to make it work even more efficiently. What say you, Tom?
No, don't do that.
Do that, okay.
But if you want to use one, it's fine.
We're not laughing at you, Tim.
No.
We're laughing with you.
I love the fact that you could heat your garage with a heater to make it hotter for the heat pump.
I think we're on to something.
No, we don't
Come
want-
on,
we
Tim.
don't
We're
want to do
messing
that.
with you here.
First off, Florida's hot enough. Believe me. I've lived
Amen
there
to
for
that.
15 years in Miami. It'll work fine. Just get someone really good to install it. I don't need to really compose a huge dissertation about this thing because they work.
But the garage would be a good place for it, though.
Well, yeah, the garage is fine. And so go ahead and do it. It's real popular in Florida. You won't see it much here in Houston because of our natural gas price, for water heaters and stuff. It's so cheap here. But yeah, go ahead and do it. But don't do the extra vent to make it hotter. That I don't want you to do. That's the key to the question right there. Don't do that.
Don't do that. All right.
Yep.
But what you do want to do is send us more questions because we'll answer them and save you the kind of challenge that Tim was about to have. All you got to do is visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. Send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live,
Ding.
or Sunday morning on Early Edition.